Real estate professionals play a crucial role in preventing deed fraud. By adopting a set of best practices, they can help safeguard the interests of their clients and maintain the integrity of the real estate market. Below are key strategies and protocols that should be implemented. Education and awareness. Continuous learning. Stay updated with the latest trends in real estate fraud and participate in professional development courses focused on fraud prevention. Client education. Inform clients about the potential risks of deed fraud and guide them on how to protect themselves. Example. Scenario. A real estate agency hosts quarterly seminars on fraud prevention, inviting experts in law enforcement, legal counsel, and experienced agents to share insights on the latest fraud tactics and preventive measures. They also provide clients with informational brochures on how to recognize and prevent deed fraud. Wheel title. Inform clients about the potential risks of deed fraud and guide them on. Phrase, how to protect themselves. Due diligence and verification. Comprehensive property checks. Always conduct thorough background checks on properties, including title searches and historical review of property documents. Verify identity. Confirm the identity of all parties in a transaction with reliable identification methods and ensure that all documents are signed in the presence of witnesses and a notary. Example. Scenario. Samantha, a real estate agent, is working with a client interested in purchasing a property. Before proceeding, Samantha conducts a comprehensive title search to verify the history of the property and ensures all parties involved provide government-issued IDs at the time of signing. She also arranges for all documents to be signed in the presence of a notary. Utilize technology. Electronic records and monitoring. Use electronic recording and monitoring systems where available. These systems often provide alerts for any activity involving registered properties, helping to catch fraud early. Secure communication channels. Employ secure methods for transmitting sensitive information to protect against data breaches and interception. Example. Scenario. An agency implements a secure electronic document management system that uses encryption and requires two-factor authentication for access. This system alerts property owners via email whenever their property title is queried or a filing is made, allowing for immediate action if the activity is unauthorized. Collaboration and reporting. Network with professionals. Build relationships with other real estate professionals, law enforcement, and legal experts to share information and best practices on fraud prevention. Prompt reporting. Encourage the immediate reporting of suspicious activities to authorities. Quick action can prevent fraud from progressing and protect other potential victims. Example scenario. John, a real estate broker, notices suspicious activity involving multiple rapid transactions of a property. He reports this to the National Association of Realtors and local authorities. He also participates in a community forum where real estate professionals discuss potential fraud cases and share advice on preventive measures. Document handling and storage. Secure storage. Keep all client documents and transaction records in a secure environment to prevent unauthorized access and tampering. Controlled access. Limit access to sensitive documents to only those who need it for legitimate business purposes. Example scenario. A real estate firm implements a policy requiring all sensitive client documents to be stored in a secure, fireproof, and waterproof safe. Access to the safe is restricted to senior managers, and all access is logged to ensure traceability of document handling. Standardized procedures. Consistent processes. Develop and follow standardized procedures for all transactions to ensure every step is completed correctly and consistently, leaving little room for fraudulent activities. Regular audits. Conduct regular audits of transaction processes and client files to ensure compliance with legal standards and internal policies. Example. Scenario. To ensure consistency and reduce the risk of oversight or fraud, a real estate office develops a standardized checklist for closing transactions. This checklist includes steps for identity verification, document review, and final checks with a title company. Compliance with this checklist is mandatory for all agents in the firm. Legal and ethical standards. O. Adhere to regulations. Always operate within the legal frameworks and guidelines established by local, state, and federal law. O. Ethical practices. Commit to high ethical standards in all dealings to foster a trustworthy environment and discourage deceitful behaviors. By integrating these best practices into their daily operations, real estate professionals can significantly reduce the risk of deed fraud. This proactive approach not only protects their clients, but also enhances the professional's reputation and contributes to a healthier real estate market. Example, scenario. A brokerage firm regularly schedules legal briefings with a real estate attorney to ensure that all agents are up to date with the latest real estate laws and ethical guidelines. They focus particularly on areas prone to fraudulent activity, such as deed handling and escrow management, to reinforce ethical practices. These examples illustrate practical ways real estate professionals can integrate best practices into their daily activities to mitigate risks and actively combat deed fraud. By adopting these measures, they not only protect their clients and properties, but also maintain the integrity and trustworthiness of the real estate industry.